Yeah, no. I think if I'm being totally honest about it all, um, they kind of tolerate the songs. I mean, I think they appreciate the songs,
Hmm.
you know. Like Kermit gets, all this adulation for like that one song he sang. So I don't know. I think they like that we sing,
Yeah.
but we always get that one comment every time. Oh, I came here to learn Ojibwe. Where's the Ojibwe?
Yeah.
You
Huh?
know? Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this over here, is the lovely and the talented
Get out of here.
Natasha. Look at them, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these people.
Bonjour, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
So, today's Ojibwe word of the day. I don't know. What do you think, sweetie?
Oh, geez, I don't know.
You
I
know,
got nothing.
Um, we were talking earlier how it takes more time to record a song and then the video for it than it would just dispassionately reading off Ojibwe
Yeah.
language words. But honestly, I think we'd get more views if we just did that. So today, we're not even going to sing a song. Here's your language lesson. Let's talk about families. All right. I mean, you can look up how to spell these words. But these are like the Ojibwe words for family members. And you'll start to see like how the sentence structure works. Not sentence, but the pronouns. I don't even know how to talk about this. But anyway, so like, let's say you got my father. In the Ojibwe, we'd say ni baba. If we say your father, it's gi baba. And if we said his or her father, we'd say o baba yan. Ni baba, gi baba, o baba yan. And then there's like my mother, ni mama, your mother, gi mama, his or her mother, o mama yan. Gi, ni, gi, and o yan. My son, gozes, nin gozes. Your son, gi gozes, his or her son, o gozes son. My daughter, nin donis. Your daughter, gid donis. His or her daughter, o donis son. Let's see. My older brother, Nisea. Your older brother, Gisea. His or her older brother, Osean. My older sister, Nimase. Your older sister, Gimase. And his or her older sister, Omisean. My younger sibling, Nishime. Your younger sibling, Gishime. And his or her younger sibling, Oshimeya. And there you have it. Ni, gi, o, and then at the end you put yan. And that's how you do it. I don't know. This was a weird, not funny, not entertaining
Oh, it's kind of
Ojibwe
funny.
language lesson.
I don't know.
Sweetie, you want to take us out for the
Yeah.
rest of the show? I don't know. I guess I'm just not feeling it. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, everybody. I just want to say thank you for watching Miigwech Ganawabieg, BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawapamin, Minawa. Oh, what?
Oh. All right. was born in a small town, and I live in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town or a small community. All my friends are so small town. My parents live in the same small town. My job is so small town, provides little opportunity. Educated in a small town, taught to fear Jesus in a small town. I used to daydream in this small town, another bored romantic, that's me. Well, I've seen it all in a small town, had myself a ball in a small town. I met an LA doll and brought her to this small town. Now she's small town just like me. No, I cannot forget where it is I come from. I cannot forget those who love me. I can be myself here in this small town, and people let me be just what I wanna be. Got nothing against the big town, still hayseed enough to say, look who's in the big town. But my bed's in a small town, and that's good enough for me. Well, I was born in a small town, and I can breathe in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town, yeah, that's probably where they'll bury me. Oh, that was great, sweetie. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Natasha. Oh,